What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Run. We back with another video, aka Lil Roy TV is in the building. I got me a vanilla sprinkle donut from Dunkin' Donuts. Haven't had one of these in a long time. So, don't come at me. Oh yeah, in last video, I caught on that y'all didn't tell me I had fucking cream cheese right here for like the whole video. But whatever, it's all good. When I was eating the bagel, I had cream cheese here. I realized that the whole video, I'm like, damn, I had it here, and I even noticed. Either way, you see the title. We back with another video. We're gonna go over the Pollens, the mustard, Jordan 1 low, GS size. I didn't get a men's size. I didn't want to. I sure just got a GS size, size 6.5. You guys are gonna see it. So you see the title. Well, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're doing a free giveaway once we hit 1K subs. We're on our way to 300 subs. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. So do that. And ladies, hit me up on Instagram. I'm always available for the ladies. Fellas, what's good? Keep sharing this channel. Let's get more people to join the squad. Like this video, comment. I respond to all my comments. So go ahead and do that. And check out the main channel. And like I said, Instagram. All those links will be down below in the description. So let's get right into the video. Well, I only got one finger this time, but yeah. So off rip. Everyone that knows me in real life, Avion is the best water. When you start drinking it, you realize that's like the best flavored water. Even though water not supposed to have flavor. But like I said, let's get right into it. Right here, unboxing. Because I did get this in the mail today. Like I said, GS size 6.5. Regular Jordan box. Now, to me, these are way prettier in person. I haven't said that in a while, but it's all about capital these days. But I only got one size. I was mad because it dropped the time I was in the shower, so I had like 3 phones, and I got through on the slowest phone possible, which is my iPhone 6. I got through on that account for these on the phone that I'm recording on in my main phone right here. It was moving slow as hell. Either way, this is how it looks. They call it the mustard, aka the pollen. Everything yellow now, they want to say pollen, whatever. But Jordan 1 low right there. To me, these are fire. If you're able to have pairs and hold it, I think they will go up. Give it 6 months or maybe less, but these are fire. For girls, small feet. But it's not really much to say, but let's get into the small details. That yellow Jordan logo with the white. The nice stitching. The details on this shoe is excellent. Perfecto. The logo there. A little 23 right here. I don't know if you can see it with the lighting, but I definitely like the inside. The inside. Oh, first of all, it smells so good. Hold on. Oh, so brand new. Look how gold in there. It's like the material is not like leather. It's like shiny. You can see the reflection. See? It's not like your leather. But yeah, it's definitely like a gold yellow. I definitely like the details in this shoe. Regular Jumpman in there. You can see it. White. 6.5. The yellow gold shoelaces. But this shoe right here is a beauty. They dropped on Nike app, the Nike app, not the sneakers app. Let's get the quick thumbnail. Boom. But yes, this is a but yes, this shoe is such a beautiful ass shoe. The bottom yellow, nothing too crazy about that. But yeah, 6.5, size 6. And I was gonna literally try to get 3 6.5, 2 6s, whatever it was, but I only got through on one. Whatever, I'm not sweating it. At least I got a pair. But let me know what you guys think about these, ladies. If you're watching this, let me know what you think about these. Are these a beauty? Am I bugging, or is this a beauty? Yeah, guys, let me know if you grab yourselves a pair, the men's sizes. Like I said, I know they drop as well, but I didn't get the men's sizes. Obviously, the GS was going crazy for me. I only got 1 out of 3. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. Did you grab yourself a pair on the Nike app a couple days ago, last week, whatever day it was? But they came pretty fast from the app. I think, like I said, I think it's less than a week. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. For all the new people here, girls, ladies, I respond to all my comments. So let me know what you think about these lows. Do you agree? Are these fire or am I bugging? I think if this was the material and the yellow they did for the Pollen Jordan ones, I would have kept my personal size pair and I wouldn't have it for sale. Because this is that good yellow. It's not that mustard yellow the Pollens have. So I don't like the Pollens, but I like these right here. Shout out to these Jordan 1 lows. But that's it for you guys. That's it for you guys. That's it for me. Whatever, however I said it. Tongue twister. But anyways, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like I said, let me know. We're on our way to 1K subs. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can get 1K subs. What else I gotta say? Oh yeah, and if you're watching to this point, make sure you hit the link down below for my main channel. Go watch that video on my main channel. And as well, ladies, hit me up on Instagram. The DM is always available for you guys. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Your boy Little Roy is out. And we out of here. Hasta la vista.